Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how to how I personally create my Facebook ad thumbnail. I'm going to walk you through some of the processes. Now I've made series of videos on Facebook ads, my process, my ad structure, my ad strategy, so you might want to check the comment section, the description section, and then you can check out those videos and then watch them, and I'm sure it's going to be helpful for you. All right, so let's get started. So I'm doing an ad for a shoe brand, and I'm doing it for luxury shoes. Okay, so you want to understand how to do it. So I use Canva, and let's look at the dimensions that is best. Okay, so according to Google, you need the thumbnail image that you need is 1200 by 675. Okay, and these are the image ads, so you might want to pause the video and take time and note them down. Now you want to make sure that you do all these various sizes so that your ad can show in more places and can really help you. So if you are doing image ads, the recommended size is 1200 by 628 pixel. Okay, and then minimum width and height is 600 pixels, and then the image ratio is 1.91 by 1, which is the same as this, so virtually this. I'm going to show you how I use Canva to do that. Okay, but I'm going to do I don't want the video to be too lengthy, but I'm going to do it for just a carousel ad. So the image size for carousel ad is 1080 or 1080 pixel by 1080 pixel, and then it should be minimum is 600 pixels. Okay, and the image is 1 by 1. So if you are doing video, you should also note that your video size should be 1280 by 720 pixel. Okay, and then if you want to do, should be the minimum is 1 second, but the maximum video length is 240 minutes, and the file size is 4 gig. Okay, so what works for me, normally I want my videos to be under 3 minutes, and I also do under 12 seconds video as well. So you want to take note of that. Okay, depending on what you are doing, you might want to look at these creatives from a different perspective. Now I use Chatgpt. I did a full training on this, on how I was able to generate these prompts and the various ad structures, and then copywriting frameworks. You might want to check the description. I've put all the links down there. So what you want to do is that you want to make sure that you do all your ad copyright up. Okay, and then based on that you use it to do your design. So first of all, you open canva.com, and we've gone by the dimensions, okay, that we have here. So I'm going to show you this, which is 1080 by 1080. So 1080 by 1080. All right, that's for carousel. Okay, but make sure, like I said, it should be pixels, and then click on create new design. So when you create new design, this is what you have. Okay, now I'm using these images which I got from on Splash. Okay, www.splash.com is free, so you might want to do it. So for the sake of this training, I got these pictures ready. Okay, so let's come here. Then you want to upload, so you click on upload, and then the photos will upload. So I click on this. Okay, and I'm going to use this. Okay, this one image. Okay, then the next one I'm going to use this. Okay, and this. Okay, now I'll put this one here, and I'm going to go to the background, and I'm going to look at the background. So I'm going to choose this green so that it matches to what I want to do. So this is the green you want to choose. Okay, and sometime I want to work out and come here and then try to blend it a bit to a darker green, so that it kind of matches a bit. Okay, so I think I'll do it this way. Now why am I doing that? So that I can put the captions or the write up there. So I go to the next one. So normally I like to do 3. Okay, so this is what I have. I put this up here. So let's do this 3. Okay, so let's come to the write up. So I'm going to go to the Chatgpt. Like I said, if you want to know how I did this whole thing, checked out the description, the link in the description. I've put some links there for you to have full access to my full Facebook ads training. It's 100% free. You can check it out and see how I was able to come up with this prompts. Okay, so this ad copy, so this one I'm using either copy framework. So I do stop scrolling. Okay, so this, and then I come here and I go to text, and then you can put any of these templates to do that. So but I want to keep it simple. Let me put this one here. Okay, so I do this, I ungroup, create a bit big. Okay, so I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna put this one here. I'm gonna put this and I paste stop scrolling. So that's what I want to do. Okay, so I make this super big. Okay, so that's it, and then I'll choose Montserrat, because that one is okay. So we have this one. Okay, I'm gonna choose the black. Okay, so there's it, and then I'm gonna come here and then go for the line spacing and put this one here. So stop scrolling. Okay, and then I come back here. Okay, then I say unveil the magic of style with magic of style. All right, so I pick this one, come here. Okay, and then I paste this. So that's how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna reduce this. I'm gonna give it yellow so that it pops out. Okay, so yellow. Okay, so that's how I'm gonna do this one. So that's it. So stop scrolling, unveil the magic of style. Okay, then I'm gonna do the call to action. Okay, so go to elements, buy now. I'm gonna see if I'll get some buy now. Okay, I need graphics, so I'm gonna get a buy now. Now it's image, so I can do it this way, and it will, when you save it as image, it will pick that one for you. Okay, and this same thing you can also use it as a form of animated short form video. Okay, so it's all cool, so you can use that one, but you can take your time, go through and then check and get some free buy now. You can also use Google to get a nicer one. Okay, and then download and use it. So basically this is how I do this one. So let's come to this one. I'm going to copy the same format because normally that's what I do. Come here and going to paste. Okay, so I come here, this I'm going to do it. So I'm going to make it a bit smaller. Okay, so this is it. So I come to my next page. So step in style today. Okay, so I paste this, stretch it, then I choose explore shoes in style collection. All right, so when I come here, I'm going to reduce the size to half the size. Okay, So you have something like this, okay, stepping style today, and then you want to also come here, and then you can do this. So let me come here. And now another thing that the buy now, you can do another approach, go to elements and then go here. I'll remove the buy now. You can also create it from scratch, okay, and this is how you do it. You select this, okay, and just make it this way, okay, and type buy now. All right, and then Control A, come here, let's go like 36, okay, and then bolding it. I can decide to go for Montserrat again, yep, and black, the big, okay, so we have Montserrat here all set. All right, so select it. So you have it here, okay, make it small, okay, and there you go. So you can change the color, okay, to maybe yellow or even red by now. So that's cool now. So you can then copy it, okay, and then come here and then put the buy now. It's best to get this one here. Let me push this one a bit up, okay, and then get this thing up and then push the buy now down, okay. So you might want to make it a bit small, and then there you go. So this is how to do it. You can do the same thing for other ways. So let me turn off this. So basically these are two creatives, okay, these are two ways, and then you can easily export and use it to run your ads. So let me know your thoughts. What are some of the videos you want me to work on for you, and I'm more than happy to work it out for you. Bye bye.